very high-pitched squealing sound, and it's coming through every crack of this building right now.
I want y'all to hear what he said. Listen to what that man said.
Of the island relentlessly.
It sounds like a woman screaming at the top of her lungs. Very high-pitched squealing sound, and it's coming through every crack of this building right now.
The governor
I'm gonna do that one more time. Only because.
houses battering 2/3 of the island relentlessly.
It sounds like a woman screaming at the top of her lungs. Very high-pitched squealing sound, and it's coming through every crack of this building right now.
The governor of Puerto Rico warning that during the storm.
You know why it's coming through every crack of the building? Sound like a woman screaming? Because she's in labor right now. Remember? Revelation 12? She's giving birth. She's pregnant, which I believe is Jupiter. We'll be passing through the birth canal of the Virgin, which is Virgo. Talk more about it in just a little bit. Love and light, everyone. September 23rd, just be aware. It is the beginning of tribulation. 7 years to come, it's going to be hell on earth, literally. Love and light.